As winter's icy grip loosens its hold and the days grow longer, a magical transformation begins to unfold in the natural world. Spring, a season of rebirth and renewal, heralds the awakening of animals from their winter slumber. Bears, celebrated symbols of strength and endurance, are quintessential hibernators. As winter blankets the landscape, these creatures seek refuge in dens, entering a state of torpor, where their metabolic rates plummet, and they survive on stored fat reserves. However, as the first whispers of spring fill the air, bears begin to stir. Emerging from their dens, sometimes with adorable cubs in tow, they embark on a journey in search of sustenance. Bats also undergo a form of hibernation known as torpor. Huddled together in secluded roosts, bats experience a slowed metabolic rate, enabling them to survive the scarcity of insects during winter. With the arrival of spring, these aerial acrobats awaken, their wings once again cutting through the night sky in search of insects. Their emergence not only contributes to the control of insect populations, but also adds a mystical dimension to the evening skies. Swifts and swallows, with their graceful flight and aerial acrobatics, are among the first to announce the arrival of spring. Barn swallows, recognized by their distinctive forked tails, return to nesting sites in barns and under eaves, their chattering calls filling the air. Tree swallows and purple martins are also known migrants that bring with them an abundance of avian energy and activity. Birds of prey, including hawks, eagles, and ospreys, ride the thermals back to their breeding territories. The majestic bald eagle, a symbol of strength and resilience, returns to nesting sites, often located near bodies of water where they can find an abundance of fish. Haunting cries of red-tailed hawks, Buteo jamacensis, echo through the skies as they perform their spectacular courtship displays. Salamanders, a group of fascinating amphibians, quietly emerge from their winter refuges. Known for their secretive nature, salamanders are often found in damp woodlands, under logs, and in leaf litter. As temperatures rise and the ground becomes more hospitable, these creatures venture out in search of breeding sites. The successful mating of amphibians gives rise to the next generation in the form of tadpoles. These aquatic larvae undergo a remarkable process of metamorphosis during spring season, transforming from limbless, gilled creatures into fully formed adults with lungs and limbs. The emergence of tadpoles marks a vital stage in the life cycle of amphibians, bridging the gap between aquatic and terrestrial habitats. The hum of bees becomes a distinctive soundtrack in the springtime symphony. Honeybees, bumblebees, and solitary bees emerge from their hives and nests, ready to embark on their vital mission of pollination. With remarkable precision, they navigate from bloom to bloom, collecting nectar and transferring pollen, ensuring the reproduction of flowering plants. The intricate relationship between flowers and bees is a prime example of mutualistic symbiosis, where both parties benefit. Graceful butterflies with their delicate wings and vibrant hues grace the spring skies. Emerging from chrysalises and overwintering sites, these ephemeral beauties flit from flower to flower, sipping nectar and inadvertently carrying pollen on their delicate bodies. The monarch butterfly, known for its remarkable migratory journeys, adds a touch of wonder to the springtime landscape as it embarks on its northward flight. Ladybugs, or lady beetles, make a charming return to the scene as temperatures rise. These tiny beetles, often adorned with bright spots on their wings, are not only a delight to behold, but also valuable garden allies. Feeding on aphids and other garden pests, ladybugs play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Their reappearance signifies the natural pest control that occurs in gardens during the spring awakening. On sandy shores around the world, the emergence of spring signals a crucial period for sea turtles. These ancient mariners, having spent the winter in the depths of the ocean, return to their natal beaches for nesting. The rhythmic digging of nests and the deposition of eggs are poignant moments that symbolize the continuation of life in the marine ecosystem. Once the eggs are laid and carefully covered with sand, female sea turtles return to the sea, leaving their offspring to the whims of nature. The subsequent hatching of the eggs, often timed to coincide with the warmth of spring, unleashes a wave of tiny hatchlings scrambling towards the ocean, navigating the sandy terrain and predatory challenges to begin their life's aquatic journey. Spring marks a significant period for many whale species as they embark on epic migrations in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. Humpback whales, known for their majestic breaches and haunting songs, undertake some of the longest migrations of any marine mammal. These giants of the ocean travel from their feeding grounds in polar regions to warmer waters near the equator, where they engage in mating and give birth to their calves.